There are many parish groups which come here to sing every year for the novenas, but a school group getting a chance is very rare. And I truly take this as a privilege and honor, and I told my students also. The time when we got to know that we are singing for the exposition, I felt it was a special call for us. Because out of the millions of people visiting this place, we are the few chosen ones, about 20 of us, who are going to sing, that too for the first novena, the Feast of Christ the King. And we are truly thankful, blessed and grateful for this opportunity. We know that today, whatever we go from here, while going from here, we will go with a lot of graces and blessings. I'm assured of that. And I want to thank our headmistress for giving us this opportunity. She is the one who approached Father Patricio, and he readily agreed to give us this novena choir. And thank you to all the ones who were involved in bringing us here. We are truly blessed.